So good day everyone. At the moment I'm here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. I just finished my duty. I started at 6 and finished at 2 o'clock. The time now is 2:30. And I'm going inside the shopping center to go to the post office. This is the package. Ordered it from eBay. Actually it has been delivered last week. But I have no time to pick it up because the previous days was very complicated days, chaotic days, you know. That's why just now I pick it up. So basically this is a water dispenser. The one that I have is still working, but the last time I checked it, I want to charge it, but it doesn't charge because there is lots of rust. It's rusty already, the charging point. We unbox it. This one. This is very similar to the one that I have now. Except that it doesn't have a base. So I will be using the same base. Oh, it comes with this. So basically this one is the cover of the water jug. You know, normally in the Philippines we have that water jug, the blue one, and this one is attached. It's like this. This is the lid of the jug. Nice. It also comes with the tube and the charger. And I actually found this. I found my microphone. It's here near to the fridge. It's good that I found it because I am about to buy a new one. So I saved $200+. Okay, I'm going to Newcastle, to my apartment. But I haven't shown you yet, but it has been fixed. The sliding door is now normal. Looks like there's nothing happened. Nice. And the excess that I paid is actually $1,600. Still a lot of money. Not good. So basically I have a comprehensive insurance, and the excess is $700 and $900. So I paid $1,600 something to the insurance company. And if I'm not mistaken, the total amount to fix that thing is about $3,000, according to the quote of one of the repairer. And like what I've said in the previous days, it has been very, very chaotic, complicated. So basically on the day that I brought this car to the repairer, I needed to look for rent a car. And so I booked online. When I went to the car rental, they said that they don't accept a provisional license. But it was not mentioned on the booking site. On the booking site it says what they don't accept is just the learner's permit. And I don't have learner's permit. I paid $300 something from the booking site, and the rental company said they don't have the money, that I need to ask the booking site for the refund. I sent an email to the booking company, but they said they will not refund because my license is a learner's permit, learner's license. They stand to that. So if they don't refund me, I wasted $300 something. And yeah, I actually sent an email to the government of Latvia because that booking site is based in Latvia. International booking site. So I sent a complaint letter to the Consumer Protection of Latvia. I don't know if they are going to do an action for that. I'm not expecting, but yeah, at least I let them know. But yeah, I'm accepting it now. I'm okay to lose that $300 something. What can I do? And now it's back to normal. I'm sleeping in my van. I actually slept here last night, and it was so good. I miss this van. Ever, forever young. How can we make it through the day without you? Loving to sing it up to you. Say you never go. Say you never go out my way. That I get it to find someone new. And all I can say, always thinking about you. As soon as the sun shines down, following a girl. You are so lovely. Every day and night, don't you ever go away. Take my hand, you walk a while, you talk a while. I'm going to stop in McDonald's. I'm going to eat something. $5.99, one Big Mac, and a large soft drinks. I don't like soft drinks, so I'm just going to pick it up. Okay, this is the Big Mac. When I'm not with you, lonely is the night when the light shining through. I'm now here in my apartment. Yeah, I'm thinking of taking it up. This ceiling. And I can actually see a little, there's a buildup of molds. I got it. And this is how it is. So basically the water leakage is coming from here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this up. Yo, good afternoon guys. At the moment I am here in Anna Bay, here in Anna Bay, and I'm preparing my meal. This is going to be a noodles. I'm actually looking for a picnic ground where there is a electronic stove, but there are lots of people. There are people, and I'm shy to do cooking outside. Also, it is very windy outside. I have this sesame oil, Yeah, I drive here and then because tomorrow I'll be working at 6 o'clock breakfast. Actually the car park is fully occupied now. It's a vegetable. So yeah, this is a cabbage, carrots, spinach. There should be no corn. Gonna put the noodles now. It's actually too much. This is how it is now. Yeah, just vegetable. Oh, and if you notice this, yeah, it's green. So basically, I take off the ceiling. Yeah. And then I'm going to wait for the rain. And then I will figure out where is the water coming from. I was day off in the previous 2 days and yeah, I was just in my apartment. This is actually bland because I don't have any more soy sauce. But noodles is my favorite. It's alright. I really like this feature that if you press this button here, it will lock the car, and if you press again for a long time, it is going to close the window. Yeah, very nice. I really like that features. I just discovered that recently. And yeah, before the sun goes down, I'm going to show you how beautiful it is in here. This is here in Anna Bay. The name of the park is Iris Moor Picnic Area. Yeah. So basically residential area. There is just the small entrance from there, and there is this about 10 cars that the capacity of car park. That one, picnic table, picnic benches, a residential area over that side. But this is a walking track. This walking track is actually part of the Tumari walking trail. Yeah. This going to Samurai Beach and Tumari Head. Yeah, I've been to several parts of this walking trail, but yeah, I never experienced to walk it through. Yeah, from the start to the end. Yeah, so that is how it is. The sun is going to set over that side, and there is a couple over that side. That is actually the viewing area. So as you can see in here, this Iris Moor Picnic Area lookout. Yeah, Tumari Coastal Walk, the name of this walking trail. A very long walking trail. Like what I've said, from Tumari Mountain in actually even more. Pingal Bay actually is the end. Oh, there is one dog by himself. Hello doggy, are you by yourself? Yeah. There's a guy over there. So this is very high up here. Not very high, but high.
How you going?
Good afternoon. Good.
Nice afternoon.
Yeah.
Hi,
Afternoon. Very good. Yeah. And look at this. How dangerous but beautiful. Residential area over that side also. Yeah. This is one of the best features of Anna Bay. Yeah, Anna Bay is just about 5-10 minutes drive going to Nelson Bay, Salamander Bay, Anna Bay. Yeah, it's the name. Yeah, this is one of the good features. a different rocky area, cliff area. In Nelson Bay area, the pictures is the beaches, smooth beaches. Yeah, Anna Bay has everything. Rocky area, cliff area like this, and beautiful beach in Berobi Beach, where there is the camel. Yeah, and look at this dry trees. We are going back now. Just to think what I might have missed. That is how it is. And we are actually coming from that side. Up there. Oh, I have not shown to you yet, but yeah, it's already fixed. This one. So it's fixed already. Amazing. There is no sign that it has been hit by a post.